Hey everybody, JK Hool here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's video is going to be a little different. Today we're not working on a truck. What we're going to do is do the good daddy thing. And my daughter bought a Pt Cruiser. It's a work of art, guys. But she wanted to buy her own first car, so we let her. And it's got some problems, so Dad's supposed to fix it. Alright guys, as you can tell, lower bumper. I've already worked a little bit on it. Some of the problems with this car so far have been it had a crankcase position sensor was bad. It's had oil pressure sensor was bad. Misses real bad, so I've already done a tune up to it. Had to pull the radiator, the fan out, and the starter just to replace the crankcase position sensor. Now I gotta do the oil pressure sensor, which is under the car behind the exhaust, under a heat plate. Boy, you can tell they make these things hard, so you have to take them in. We're gonna do that first. Gotta have tires, right now it's up on stands. And after that, I gotta clear the computer out and see if it doesn't run better. It's got a weird little mist to it. Chrysler told me it can run in limp mode. I didn't know these cars had limp mode, like I know the truck does. So hopefully this will fix it. And we're going to go from there. So let's give it a shot, see what we can do. So I guess it's kind of turned into a mini project car for the channel. We're still going to do this to the truck. Still, I'm just waiting on parts, guys. I ordered the parts that came from overseas. Two of the major parts I wanted are stuck in customs. Been there for like a week. So that's what I'm waiting on. But we'll get back to that, but let's see what we need this old car right here for. Alright guys, well, finally got the electric cooling fan back in. I had to beat some metal straight to get it back in there again, but it's in there. Now I just got to put I'm going to wait on a breather and the battery so I can see down there to get that oil scene that I got to go in the car for, so I can get some light that way. I can show you so far. That's what it looks like so far. All back together. And let me tell you what, these things are no fun to work on. Now where I got to get to is way back in there under the exhaust manifold. I have to remove a couple of heat shields, and that's where it's at. This is going to be fun. So, I'll get back to you guys in a few minutes, because I'm sure I'm going to use some colorful metaphors in a minute. Alright, well, as far as Pt Cruiser goes, I have replaced the crankshaft position sensor, the old sensor, got rid of that oil leak there. It's had plugs put in it that had never been changed in its life, I swear. And now I got it idling. Fixed a bunch of vacuum leaks. Wires, plug wires. It's still missing. The only thing I can think could be at this point, it's not smoking. The guy said who she bought it from that he replaced the timing the timing belt. He bought the kit, so he did the tensioner and the oil pump and all that. But I'm not too sure what a mechanic this guy is. It sounds like it might be out of time. It's got a miss. Let y'all hear it real quick. Y'all can hear it there. Definitely missing. Sorry about the battery died. I didn't realize it till way after, and so I missed a lot of content there. I'm really sorry. It's never happened before. But anyway, what happened with this is got everything done like I said. And I did check the timing on it. It is off about 4 cogs. The belt is really tight. I don't know what exactly happened. Like I said, the skills of the other guy I'm not sure of. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy a new belt and put it on there. And I also noticed doing all this that the 2 front covers for the timing chain belt is like, it looks like somebody cut it with a hacksaw actually. So I got to replace that, and the back cover, like somebody ripped it half apart. So I got to get those parts and order them. As soon as they come in, we'll get back to the project here. And I guess we'll call this the PT Cruiser project for my daughter. So this will be the end of part 1 of this in particular project. It's still here. We'll be back on the truck. But just wanted to give you all an update in the video here, what's going on. And I'm really sorry about that. Really embarrassed. Never had it happen to me. I am so sorry. But that's about it. And remember, please subscribe to the channel and give us a like, thumbs up there. Really appreciate it. Need to make this channel grow bigger, folks. That's what we need to do. And above all, do not text and drive. It kills. Until next time, folks. See ya. Peace. Bye.